Air-sea containers offer a range of infectious substance packaging solutions for the transportation of Class 6.2 Category B infectious substances, which can also be used without thermal control packaging. Category B infectious substances require a triple packaging solution, which in this example consists of leak-proof primary receptacles, a leak-proof secondary packaging capable of withstanding an internal pressure of 95 kPa, and a rigid outer packaging. Absorbent cushioning will also be required. Always refer to the code 761 assembly instructions when assembling this package. The code 761 Bioshipper-1 is supplied flat-packed, designed with an easy pop-up construction and is capable of carrying up to 4 biobags. Assemble the box. Place the sealed leak-proof primary receptacles within the absorbent cushioning material. Add the receptacles into the leak-proof secondary packaging. Place the biobag in the outer box. Repeat this process if shipping more than one biobag. Close the outer box. Apply foil tamper evidence seal. Your product is now correctly packaged and ready for any other necessary consignment information.